Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check oil Jaguar XF step by step. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then let the engine cool for about 10 minutes. I walk you through locating the dipstick, checking oil level and color, and what to do if levels are low. I keep tips simple and practical so you can finish confidently and safely. Find the dipstick by opening the hood and securing it, then locate the brightly colored handle near the engine bay. I explain how to pull the dipstick, wipe it with a clean rag, and fully reinsert it for a proper read. You will learn how to interpret the oil level between the markers and spot concerning oil color or particles. Follow steps calmly and repeat the check if unsure. Read the dipstick carefully and note whether oil falls between the low and full marks, and what the oil color tells you about condition. I describe when to top up versus when to schedule a service and how to add oil slowly, then recheck to avoid overfilling. You will also hear warnings about leaks, strange smells, and when to consult a mechanic for deeper issues so you stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.